Hello everyone. I welcome all class 12 students in this session. Today I am going to discuss about cancer, how it causes, its diagnosis and its treatment. Cancer is an uncontrolled division of the body cells which causes tumor. And this proliferation of the cells is due to the contact inhibition, which is the uncontrolled division of the cells and affecting the nearby cells also. So they have lost the property of contact inhibition. Due to repeated cell division, they form a large mass of cells in the body, and the secondary stage of the cancer, the cells, they travel through the blood and the lymph from one part of the body to other part of the body. It is also called metastasis. There are two types of tumors formed by the uncontrolled division of the cells. First is benign tumor. Second is malignant tumor. Benign tumor are the non-cancerous or non-malignant tumor, and this tumor, they are confined to one region only, and they are not going to affect the nearby cells, and it is less fatal to the body also. But in malignant tumor, which is a cancerous growth of the tumor in the body, it shows metastasis and it moves from one part of the body to the another part through the blood and lymph, and it is more fatal to the body. There are certain viral oncogenes which are supposed to cause the cancer by affecting or changing the DNA in the body. These cellular oncogenes or the proto-oncogenes, which are present in inactivated state in the body, when it get mutated, it can cause or transform cancer-causing oncogenes. What are the causes of the cancer? The cancer are caused by the cancer-causing agent called carcinogens. These carcinogens may be the chemical agents like chemical in cigarette, coal tar, soot, certain dyes like aniline dyes, certain chemicals, physical agents like ionizing radiations, X-ray, gamma rays, and ultraviolet rays, which damages the DNA and cause the neoplastic transformation. That is, the new abnormal cells growth takes place in the body, which causes the tumor, tumor causing cancer. Certain biological agents, viruses and oncogenes viruses, they also cause the cancer in the body. There are 4 types of cancer. Carcinoma, which is a cancer of the epithelial tissues like skin cancer, breast, lungs, stomach cancer. Second type is melanoma, which is a melanocyte cancer, a type of skin cancer. Sarcoma, it is a cancer of mesodermal tissues, and it is rare, 1% in the human being, such as bone cancer, muscles and cartilage cancer. Leukemia or blood cancer is the cancer where the number of leukocyte cells increases, causing severe anemia in the person, is the blood cancer or leukemia. Lymphoma cancer is the lymph node cancer, where the uncontrolled division of the lymph node occurs and it causes the cancer in the human being. How the cancer is detected? The cancer is detected by the blood test or the bone marrow test, X-ray radiations, gamma radiations, CT scan, which is a type of X-ray generated which give three-dimensional images of the internal objects of the body at the cancer-causing location, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. It is a non-ionizing radiations with a strong magnetic field, and it can detect any pathological or physiological changes in the living tissues of the body. One modern technique is there, it's called monoclonal technique. In this monoclonal antibodies, they give the antibodies or detect the antibodies against cancer-specific antigens, which also detect certain cancers. So these are the techniques of the detection of the cancer. How cancer is treated? Cancer is treated by the 4 ways of treatment. In certain conditions, with the help of surgery, the tumor cells are removed. Sometimes radiation therapy is given without causing effect to the healthy cells. Chemotherapy is given. Certain chemotherapeutic drugs is injected in the body, which may cause hair loss, severe anemia, but they are the safest treatment. They are killing the tumor which causes cancer in the body without affecting the healthy cells of the body. Immunotherapy, sometimes biological modifiers like alpha interferons are used to activate the immune system, which helps in destroying the tumor cells without destruction of the immune system of the body. So in majority of cases, these all 4 treatments are applied on the patient depending upon the situations. Surgery is also done, like in breast cancer, radiation therapy is given, chemotherapy is given, and immunotherapy is also given. So in this way, the cancer is treated. So thank you for this session.